This is the Battalion Frontline series road bike. It's a V3 2025 model. So let's quickly unbox this. So this is how it looks once we open the box. So this also comes with the tools which are required to assemble the road bike. So this is how it looks outside the box. This box comes with pedals, the few reflectors, and also Allen keys with a spanner to assemble the bike. So if you're following Battalion Frontline series, the first version was launched in 2022, then came the V2, then the V3. So this is the latest model, Battalion Frontline V3 2025. So they use Shimano Polaris gears. So this comes with a 16-speed setup. So this has also a Tektro brake system. This comes with a 170 crank arm with 50 and 34 teeth setup. This also has Nico headset. This bike comes with a 28C tire type and also has two frame sizes, 51 and 54 centimeter, which is suitable for both taller and shorter riders.
Attention fini.